it's Vaishnavi. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope everyone is safe. Uh, so बहुत दिनों बाद I'm doing this and trust me, in all of these months I have tried to make a video but the lazy person I am, मैं हर बार I'm like नहीं अच्छा नहीं है, the content is not good and blah blah blah. बट आज फाइनली डिसाइड कर ही लिया कि कुछ तो वीडियो बनाएंगे. तो आई एम हियर एंड पीछे थोड़ी वॉल अलग दिख रही है. तो आज का कंटेंट वही है कि आज हम आर्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड थोड़ी सी बात लॉकडाउन के बारे में. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. सो व्हाट आई वाज गोइंग टू से. सो पहली बात तो इतने दिनों बाद लाइक ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 1.5 months ऑफ लॉकडाउन आज पहली बार आई गॉट द चांस टू ड्रेस अप. सो आई डिड. यू कैन सी आई एम वेयरिंग अ रिंग आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. आई एम वेयरिंग अ शर्ट. जो शॉर्ट्स पहने ठीक है but I really am enjoying wearing a shirt instead of just PJs and a loose t-shirt. I like getting dressed up. So it's new and well, lockdown has been a very hard time for me and as well as many other people. So like it takes some toll on your head because being a being a person who goes through challenges with mental health, it is really hard to keep yourself inside the house for so long time and not go anywhere, not interact with anyone, and the only media to interact with someone is through your phone. But like thoda dheere dheere I'm coping with it, but there are days when I get complete nervous breakdown and I cry and I just want to run away from my house. तो ऐसा बहुत होता है. But I'm enjoying the time at home. Like now I don't have to worry about going to college, getting up or anything really. But it is really hard to be productive right now. It is really hard to do anything like study or do घर का काम या कुछ भी करना is really hard because like your mind is completely blocked and it's like you think again and again that why am I doing this, कल भी तो वही करना है, परसों भी वही किया था वगैरह वगैरह. So it is really hard to keep yourself productive but I'm trying a bit. Like मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी कि मैं सारे घर के काम करती हूँ. जितना होता है, जितना मन करता है I do it. बाकी दिन I wake up very late because I sleep very late. I know that is a very bad choice but आज पता नहीं क्या हुआ. I woke up at 7 because I slept yesterday at 12:30, so that was a good sign. इसलिए आज ज़रा I'm energetic. So you know when you wake up early you get things done. So that's one good thing that is happening today with me, that I woke up early. I am a little bit energetic. I am a little bit happy. तो सुबह उठ के आज गिटार बजाया है. वीडियो भी अपलोड हुआ है गिटार का. इफ़ यू डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, मेरे 3 अकाउंट्स है तो जाके फॉलो करो. आई लिंक देम डाउन बिलो. ऑल्सो सो एवरी डे आई वेक अप, आई ईट. कभी कभी खाना बना लेती हूँ, कभी कभी कुछ बेक कर लो, कुछ ऐसे नए नए डिशेस ट्राई कर लो. यू नो कीप योर सेल्फ बिजी. फिर कभी कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख लिया. अभी तो इट्स लाइक पीपल आर पुटिंग अप सो मच कंटेंट, लाइक इवन ऑन यूट्यूब इतना अच्छा कंटेंट आ रहा है. लाइक पीपल आर पुटिंग सो मच एफर्ट इनटू keeping people entertained and everything. So that is a very good thing. So that is a good sign. तो नेटफ्लिक्स पे कुछ देख लिया. फिर शाम को आई यूजुअली पुट माई ईयरफोन्स इन एंड पेंट. तो उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. सो व्हेन आई पेंट आई फील रियली काम. आई फील रियली रिलैक्स्ड. लाइक आई गेट रियली पीसफुल. लाइक जो भी मेरे टेंशन होता है दिमाग में, जो भी आई गेट ओवर थिंकिंग के थॉट्स होते हैं, वो सारे मेरे उस पेंटिंग के टाइम में निकल जाता है. सो इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो लाइक मी, लाइक जिसको पेंट करना पसंद है, कुछ भी पेंट कर लो. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि यू हैव टू पेंट रियली गुड लाइक पिकासो और समथिंग. कुछ भी पेंट कर लो जो तुम्हें पसंद है, बट इट इज़ अ रियली गुड थिंग टू पेंट. एंड वो टाइम काफ़ी पीसफुल होता है. तुम किसी में एकदम इन्वॉल्व हो, अच्छे से गाने सुन रहे हो, इट फील्स रियली नाइस. सो ट्राई इट. हाँ, तो ये सारी बातें हो गई लॉकडाउन की. तो अभी आई विल टेक यू थ्रू माई पेंटिंग्स जो मैंने इतने कितना 1.5 मंथ से किए हुए हैं. सो लेट्स गेट इन. सो पहले आई स्टार्टेड विथ स्मॉल पेंटिंग्स लाइक वाटर कलर पेंटिंग्स. वाटर कलर्स आर वेरी easy to do. So like this Polaroid thing, I'll also put up the pictures here so you can see how they actually look. ये Polaroid जैसे paintings है which if you stick on the wall it looks like a Polaroid. एक painting मेरी wall पे भी है जो मैं दिखाऊंगी तुम्हें बाद में. I started with watercolors and I still use watercolors as well as poster colors. So that is a really fun thing to experiment with new colors, experiment with new styles. I always used to doodle uh, like this. ये शायद मैंने पहले भी दिखाया हुआ है. I used to doodle this like this things, but then I was like कितनी doodle करोगे, and there are not many things to doodle. So I went into painting. This is a painting I did. This is a whale or something, I don't know. And I tried to do the waves, but वो ठीक से आई नहीं है. Then I learned how to do it. फिर realize हुआ कि कैसे करते हैं. So I tried. But pictures में ये अलग दिखती है और videos में वगैरह ये अलग दिखता है. Then I don't think you have seen this. This is from a movie. I really love this movie. Yeah. I found everything, like everything I've been drawing is from Pinterest or Google. So कुछ ऐसा सोचना मत कि मैंने अपना दिमाग लगा के बनाया. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करती. Because I'm not that creative as you can say. क्योंकि मेरे mind में ideas होते हैं, but when I try to paint them, they don't turn out good. So it's better to take some help. This is the next thing I saw on Instagram. Somebody did this. It is so beautiful. This is a girl. This is a guy showing her the sky. There's a dog or a cat, I don't know. But it looks so pretty with all the colors and stuff. This was actually on a wood that the guy painted it on a wood. But मेरे पास तो wood है नहीं तो पेपर पे कर लिया. तुम्हारे पास होगा तो कर लो. This is the next thing that I love. This is very what you can say, very um, mental health related, very thoughtful. So this is a girl like me who is trying to paint over her negative thoughts. These are all negative thoughts, as you can read. There's anxiety, there's hard thoughts, pain, crying. So she's trying to paint over those thoughts. So it has a very wonderful meaning. तो इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं कभी कभी कैप्शन भी लिख देती हूँ. So this is a wolf. This is a really basic painting, but अच्छा लगता है. It is fun to draw. ये सारी paintings like took mostly 45 minutes. कुछ ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता. This is my most favorite. This is a dog cocker spaniel. Oh my god. This was actually done on a canvas by someone, but मेरे पास उस time canvas नहीं था, so I did it on paper. It's not that perfect, but look at the sweet dog. It looks so cute. फिर there's the beach. I love beach की बहुत सारी paintings बनाती हूँ मैं. I just dropped everything. Okay, ये beach है. It looks very nice. It is very easy. Just use shades of blue. ये तो sketch pen या फिर marker से बनाया हुआ है. It looks hard but it is very easy. Same with this. Just use the watercolors and voila. Very easy to do. And तुम्हारा मन भी लगता है and लोगों को देखने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता है. They're like wow कैसे किया वगैरह वगैरह. And this is the most favorite one. Like this is a lion which is in geometrical figure type. Like ये lines सब पहले बनाई फिर color किया. It is very nice. It also has shades. काफ़ी सारी ऐसी पेंटिंग्स है जो मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं की है बिकॉज आई गेट रियली डीमोटिवेटेड ईजली. लाइक अगर पेंटिंग ठीक नहीं जा रही है तो आई विल जस्ट लीव इट देयर एंड आई विल जस्ट गो अवे. मैं नहीं कंप्लीट करती उसको, पता नहीं क्यों. So this is something I did when I woke up early a few days ago. This is Taj Mahal. एंड द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज़ कि मैंने ताजमहल कभी नहीं देखा बट उस दिन मैंने अपने सपने में ताजमहल देख लिया. सो मुझे वो बनाना था. इट लुक्स रियली प्रिटी. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ पिक्चर टेकन बाय समवन बट मेरे को लगा कि ये पेंटिंग में भी बन सकता है. इट्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल. हियर्स द सन. इट्स रियली प्रिटी आई नो. और फिर मेरी बुक ख़त्म हो गई. दिस थिंग नॉट ओवर. So I had to start making paintings on papers like these. ऐसे सारे papers में use करने लग गए. This is another really easy painting. This is actually from Chinese or Japanese something. This is the girl. It is really easy, like took barely 5 minutes. Then I tried some pop art. A friend of mine told me to try it. I don't know how good it is, but I like this woman here. I didn't like this. Actually वो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं बना है. But Pinterest पे बहुत कुछ मिलता है pop art जैसा, so you can try it. Then I tried this. This is a guy and girl. It's not really well. ये मेरा पहला painting था इस time में I guess. It's not that good but still the colors are pretty. Yeah, so this is something I drew from a picture. Like this was my picture from when I went to Himachal. That's me. पीछे पहाड़ थे, blue sky, everything was pretty. I don't know what inspired me to paint this, but I painted it anyway. Yeah. Then this is really interesting thing. पता नहीं ये क्या है. I just found it on Pinterest and it just inspired me so much. Like look at all these things. It's like एक window है जिसमें वो कैट देख रही है बाहर. देयर इज अ टेलीस्कोप. देयर आर बुक्स हियर. फिर कोई इट लुक्स लाइक एन एटिक आई गेस जहाँ पे ओल्ड क्लॉक है. ये डोर्स है या फिर कबर्ड है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पिक्चर and very interesting to paint. And this was not actually paint. I just painted it with markers. वो markers मिलते हैं ना, तो I used water on them and it just spread out, so it didn't take much time. Then this is a very simple pen art. in Pinterest पे easily मिल जाता है. Just a couple sitting. This was really interesting क्योंकि ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है. It's easy, simple है. There's one more I guess. Yeah, this is also the same pen art thing. Yeah, the girl is swinging over the tree. moon है इधर, रात हो गई है इधर, दिन है. It has a good meaning. me through Instagram, you know this is my journal sort of book. ये मैंने मैंगो से खरीदा है. If you live in Mumbai, India, you know what Mango is. It's a stationery shop. Very good. I really like it. So it has different pages. Like इधर schedule वाला pages है, इधर लिखने वाले pages है जिसमें मैंने कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Then here are some black pages जिस पे you can draw. I don't have white pen, so I don't draw on it. Yeah. So this is the girl painting her own cloud. Very meaningful, very easy. This is a paw with hand, like they are best friends. Then this is a girl drowning, like it was supposed to look like water. Why does everything keep falling? This is a really interesting one. So it's like this is a hoodie and उधर से sky वगैरह दिखता है and इधर लिखा है listen to the people of universe. It is listen to the poetry of universe. It is giving secrets of life. It is really good और बहुत easy था draw करनी. So you can try it in your book. और ये सब if you like to post on Instagram, it looks very aesthetic. Like just take a picture like. This is from Instagram. किसी ने पेंट किया हुआ है. It looks very simple. पेंट करने में भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा. This is the latest thing. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. This is like a what do you call a bottle जिसमें ये सब है. There are actually bottles available like this. It looks really pretty. So now I'll take you to the. So this is also from Pinterest. It's like a two hands holding. फिर ये सारे flowers है. Then these are pictures. This is my favorite one. You know I'm a Friends fan, so that's Joey, Monica, Ross, Phoebe, Chandler, Rachel. ऊपर Central Perk का logo है. This is Ross and Rachel. Very nice. Yeah, this is the Polaroid which I was talking about earlier. बहुत interesting है. It was very easy. ये सब पीछे पहले water paint कर दो और this is just marker. और कुछ नया नहीं है wall पे. That's it, I guess. Yeah. So I did all these paintings. बहुत time भी चला जाता है. You get creative. Plus Instagram पे डाल सकते हो, घर पे शेयर कर सकते हो. It's nice to look at too. Wall पे लगा सकते हो. Keeps yourself busy. So I would suggest that you also keep yourself busy during this time because we don't know और कितने months से चलेगा. So you have to keep yourself busy and to keep yourself sane. So try to paint. And if you do try some of these things which I showed you, then tag me in your pictures. Just Instagram पे tag कर दो. I'll put my accounts. Also I have a thing. It's not finished yet, but it is ongoing thing. Canvas पे. This is a car and a door. I'll upload the picture on Instagram जब खत्म हो जाएगा. Anyway, that was it for this video, I guess. I hope you guys do well and stay safe. और कुछ नहीं है बोलने के लिए. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope soon. Like कर दो, comment कर दो और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो और इंस्टाग्राम पे देख लो. ओके, सो बाय.